G'day, it's Cole here again from Diggerman. Today Max is going to run through the 4-in-1 bucket on the skid steer. On our 5-star operators level, it is a 110.
Alright, so when we're using the 4-in-1, we need to be able to lift the boom up and corral back all at the same time. So what we're going to do with our right hand, we're pulling it back to lift it up, corral away from ourselves and open that 4-in-1 with our right thumb. Then we can approach the pole that we're picking up, just corralling the front cutting edge to the ground, dragging it back. The first thing you want to do is bring that back cutting edge to the ground, and that's pushing forwards towards your knee. And then you can close it up, pushing forwards and towards your knee all at the same time. That's opening it up, closing it. So again, we're opening it all up, pulling it all back, bringing that back cutting edge down so it's a nice flat even cut, and then we can pick it up. Any excess we can still just push away